అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. రెస్పెక్టెడ్ మిస్ వరల్డ్ కంటెస్టెంట్స్, ఎస్టీమ్డ్ గెస్ట్స్, dignitaries and dear friends and media and police, it is with immense pride and joy that I welcome you all to the land of legend, resilience and timeless heritage that is our beautiful Mulugu district. Today, as the spirit of grace, strength and beauty from across the world descends upon our soil, we feel deeply honored. Your presence is not just a celebration of Miss World journey, but also a celebration of values we hold dear: courage, culture, and compassion. Mulugu is not just a district on the map of Telangana. It is a living story, a story written in the footsteps of our indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Our tribal women, Sammakka and Sarlamma, bravely fought against the kingdom to protect their freedom and self-respect. Even during tough times, they showed great courage and strength. Many times, people judge women only by their looks and ignore their true power. But Sammakka and Sarlamma proved that women are strong, fearless, and full of courage. At the same time, Rudrama Devi also, she showed her courage. As a tribal woman myself, I stand here not just a minister, but as a daughter of this land. I have seen how beauty is not just its appearance, but in grit, in dreams, and in the power to uplift others. We are also home to a marvel of human creativity and devotion. The Ramappa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, built in the 13th century by the Kakatiya dynasty. This temple is not only architectural masterpiece with its intricate carvings and floating bricks, but also a symbol of our timeless pursuit of excellence. When we walk through its premises, you are not just walking through history, you are touching the spirit of an ancient civilization that celebrated art, dance, and devotion. Wherever the Kakatiyas built, they followed triple T systems: is temple, tanks, towns. Similarly, I wish you follow or take it as a suggestion the triple C in your life. C, courage, compassion, commitment. This formula will help you in developing your all-round personality. Dear contestants, as you walk your path toward the Miss World crown, may you carry with you the blessings of the people of Mulugu, who will forever remember they.
మాస్టర్ మైండ్స్ కామర్స్ చదవాలనుకునే 10th ఇంటర్ విద్యార్థుల తొలి ఎంపిక.
Namaskaram to everyone. First the foremost, I extended my heartfelt thanks to each one of you for coming to Warangal today. As a proud daughter of the historic city of Warangal, Orugallu, I am happy to welcome you all. This land is full of rich history, culture and strength. From the brave rule of Kakatiya Queen Rudrama Devi to the legends of Sammakka Sarakka, Warangal has always respected the power and role of women in society. It is a place where courage, leadership and tradition have always been valued. Under the leadership of the Congress-led Telangana government, we are working hard to make Warangal as the next big city after Hyderabad. Our goal is to develop it into a strong urban and cultural center. One major project is the revival of Mamanuru Airport, which is moving ahead quickly. Warangal's location makes it an important link between North and South India. It is well connected by rail, Kazipet Junction, and by road to cities like Hyderabad, Vijayawada, and even Chhattisgarh. The short 2-hour drive to Hyderabad is proof of the good infrastructure developed over the years by Congress government. Warangal is not just a place, it's a symbol of pride, shaped by history and powered by its people. Hosting the Miss World program here is not just about beauty, it's a global recognition of our culture, growth and vision. The theme of this event, Beauty with an Purpose, matches perfectly with our journey where grace and strength go hand in hand. It's celebration of diversity, purpose and women's empowerment. It gives us a platform to showcase Telangana's culture and our commitment to women's rights, social justice and inclusive growth. This moment is especially meaningful for our local artists, weavers and craftsmen. Arts like Warangal, Duris, Cherial paintings and silver filigree are now getting global attention. Through this event, our traditions are gaining new life and our artists are finding new opportunities. The program also supports important social causes, helping orphans, empowering and differently abled and protecting nature. It truly reflects the spirit of beauty with a purpose. Tourism will grow, investments will come and many new opportunities will be created. This event is not just an honor, it's a chance for transformation. I thank our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Revanth Reddy Garu and all my cabinet colleagues for choosing Warangal to host this grand event. Together we are writing a new chapter in Telangana's story where tradition meets progress. That is why we all are calling Telangana Ajaye. Some name was kept. I congratulate all of you and also, all the best. तेलंगाना जरूर आना, ये हमारा सिंबल है और I want to congratulate all the participants and I am telling all the best to you and you have to I think you are enjoying Hyderabad and Warangal and you are going everywhere in Telangana. It is our best. We are wishing you best and you will be the winner, will be the most what I say, she is very lucky from she is going to elect from Telangana. Anyhow, and I congratulate all of you and I am taking back my words. Thank you.
మాస్టర్ మైండ్స్ కామర్స్ చదవాలనుకునే 10th ఇంటర్ విద్యార్థుల తొలి ఎంపిక